Hi everyone, welcome to this time's Growling Finance. Last week was still bad for bond investors, but there were some good signs showing itself. The funding condition was tight as always, but loosed in several afternoons last week, and which is expected to get better as time closes to the Lianghui next week. So what happened during the last week? Was there any change in fundamentals? And what is the purpose of the PBOC in this period of time? Well, follow me, let's dive in this time's story. First, for fundamentals part, there was a rumor said that some bond funds have been redeemed owing to the bad performance of bonds market. Plus, the stock market was still in the positive mood led by DeepSeek and the AI trend. The bonds market performed better during last week. Manufacturing PMI data was released on Sunday, which was 50.2%, better than previous one and expected one 49.1%. Except the lower value of January owing to the Spring Festival effect, the manufacturing PMI has been above the prosperity line 50% for 4 consecutive months since October 2024. The main reason was the resumption of the production and work after Spring Festival, and the encouragement from large-scale equipment upgrades and consumer goods trade-in programs with great intensity and scope. And this could be a sign of an economy recovery. Overall, the good path toward bonds market from fundamentals was fading, but a good factor for bonds market came from the other side of the Pacific Ocean. President Trump added additional 10% to nowadays Chinese tariff. This could aggravate the present pessimistic situation of Chinese international trade. Then, for funding condition, the financing price was still at high levels. So what is the purpose of the PBOC to maintain a high level financing price? To understand this, we should figure out the questions below. First, what is the situation of bonds market nowadays? Now, bond yield curve was pretty flat, which was the consequence of both the weak expectation of the economy and tight funding condition. The first part has been reflected since the beginning of 2025. The bond yields of long-term bond was in a low position, although the prosperity of the stock market and the AI trend brought some confidence back about the economy, so maybe there isn't enough space for yields of long-term bond to go down. Meanwhile, yields of short-term bond have been increasing since the PBOC tightened the funding condition. But it is the long-term bond that the PBOC wanted to be that position. Second, from the perspective of the PBOC, the previous situation of bonds market was overhot, but the fundamentals, which is weak recovery of the economy, hasn't changed. So the PBOC found a way that can take care of both overhot bonds market and the economy recovery, which is tightening funding condition constantly, but lucid sometimes. From here, we can infer the purpose of the PBOC, which is preventing bonds market from overhot, shrinking profit space of hard money in long-term bond, maintaining the steady position of exchange rates, and cutting interest rates on times to stimulate the economy recovery. Finally, it will get a rational steep bond yield curve. So for bond investment strategies, the hottest point for bond market is Lianghui next Tuesday, which could give some clear signs about monetary policies and fiscal policies. More importantly, the funding condition may be loose after the meeting, which could give bond market a huge break from negative carry situation. The best strategy for now may be decreasing the bond position for hedging the effect from negative carry and avoiding risks from policy uncertainties. The trend of bonds market was pretty obscure in recent. Neither short-term bond nor long-term bond have a good value to invest relatively. So let's just wait with and will and see what will happen during the next week. So as always, if you want to know more useful finance information about the Chinese bond market and economic situation, please like, share, and subscribe. I will always be here, share my understanding and experience, and waiting for you. So bye guys, until next time.